Hi, Jesseb here. Let's take a look at a couple of very simple functions, but very powerful in the fact that they do exactly what we want them to do. You'll notice here we have proper and we have trim. These two functions do almost what they say, or their name implies. Proper is going to take text and change the text to proper case, not uppercase or lowercase, but it actually makes it proper case, where normally the first letter of the word is going to be capitalized, the rest will be lowercase. The other one is going to be trim, and we're also going to look at something else, joining things together in your spreadsheet when you're working with text. So let's take a look at these. All right, we're going to move over. And right here, notice all the names are in all uppercase. We want them to be in proper case. So as we type in proper, remember that tab. You can tab and it'll put in your closed parentheses for you. Open parentheses for you. So here I want to take the last name, click on the last name, and then there it is, Smith, capital S, lower, rest of the word. One more, proper. And we click on the first name, check it off, and there's James Proper. The next thing we want to take a look at is how can I combine things? This is really cool, great little feature or ability in Excel to join things together. And it all hinges around the ampersand, that little symbol right there. So we're going to take and select the last name and then use that little ampersand, but we want to put a comma between the last name and the first name. So being it's text, anytime you have text, remember it has to be in double quotes, so comma, space bar, double quote, and I need another and because I'm going to add something else to the formula. I'm going to add the first name, check it off, and you'll notice I have a last name, comma, space, first name. I've joined it all together just by using a couple of ands. And now, of course, I want this all the way down, so I can pull it all the way down here, here, and of course, now in the column where I have last name, comma, first name, I have everything the way I would like to have it. This last function, really quick, is just to remove spaces. It's called trim, and that's what it does. It trims out all of the spaces related to text in a cell. So here, we clean it up, and there's no extra spaces before the word, last name, or after, or in between. And then, of course, a little double click there, and we finished. Enjoy these text functions. They're very easy to work with, and hopefully you learned a little bit about the and symbol.